Hello everyone, today we're making spicy scrambled eggs, also known as Bhurji. You'll need 5 eggs beaten, 3 onions, half a cup of milk, some turmeric, salt, garam masala and some chili, garlic and ginger blended. Okay, let's get started. Now you want to add the onions. Okay, see the onions are cooking down there now. It's time to add some salt. Okay, the onions have nicely caramelized now, so it's time to add the ginger, garlic and chili. Okay, time to add some turmeric, haldi. Okay, now it's time to add the 5 beaten eggs. You want to turn the heat down to low at this point. And then add some milk and give that all a good mix. Okay, you can see that now, more and more like scrambled egg. It's time to add some garam masala. And just mix that in. And that's our dish nearly ready. Okay, that's the dish finished. Time to turn the gas off and plate up. Smells beautiful. Okay folks, that's our dish finished. Bhurji, scrambled, spicy scrambled egg. Give our recipe a try. If you like it, let us know. Please subscribe and hit the like button. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.